औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Today we are going to learn about progressions. In this progression we are going to do arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progressions. In this one the terms are, this is called terms, dot t1 t2 t3 t4 dot we will get tn terms. Okay, each term is represented with t1 t2 t3 like that, tn, and first term is always a, and common difference is common difference is d. D is what? The difference of these two terms is always same. Then we can say these are in EP, arithmetic progression. If D is what? T3, T4 minus T3. Always these answers are same. D, this D, this D. So we can write like this. T4 minus T3 dot Tn minus 1. So like this, if the values are same, common, the difference is common, then we call it common difference, and first term is always a, then we can write nth term of the series. Nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is nth term of the series, and d equal to, remember that this is the formula, d equal to nth term minus previous nth term. 1 previous to that term is nth term. 2 here, 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Like that we will get 1 less than this term, 1 previous than the given term. This is a common difference. This is the nth term, and series will be like this. Series will be a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d dot a plus n minus 1 into d. That means T1, T2, if 2 is there, 1d, 3 is there, 2d, 1 less. For fourth term, this. For nth term, this. Like that we can write the series of the arithmetic series. For that, what we know? We have to know a and common difference. And nth term, d, a is always, first term is always a. Like that we can write the series. Now we are going to write a series. Suppose question, write a AP series, arithmetic series. If a equal to 5, d equal to 2. What is that? Solution. The series a plus d, a plus 2d dot. So a is what? 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 into 2. 5 plus, next, 5 plus 3 into 2 dot. So this is 5, 7, 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus this 11. Like that we will get the series. This series is called arithmetic progression. So common difference is there. Sometime you will get the series, we have to find that the given series is arithmetic or not. Example is there. 5, 9, 12, 15, 20 dot is there. So now find this is a given numbers, it belongs to arithmetic or not. So this is our T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So D equal to, for arithmetic series, why we have to check D. T2 minus T1. How much this? 9 minus 5. That is 4. Next D is T3 minus T2. 12 minus 9. How much? This is 3. So T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. That D is not common. D is not common. D is not common means, that means the given series 5, 9, 12, 15, 20 not in AP, not in AP. This way is not in AP because of D is not common. If D is common, D is same, then only we can say that the given series is in AP. Example, again we are taking 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26 dot dot. Now again this is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Now check that D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 10 minus 6, that is 4. D equal to 14 minus 10, next number T3, T2, that is 14 minus 10, again 4. D3, T4 minus T3, 18 minus 14, again 4. D equal to T5 minus T4, 22 minus 18, again 4. Therefore, this sequence, or last one we can check that also. If you check 3, 1 or 2, if they are same, then means they are same for all. Okay, this is 5. 26 minus 22, again 4. So all these are common. This is common. The difference is, all difference is common, that's why this is called common difference. So this sequence, therefore 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26 dot dot are in AP, are called arithmetic progression. This is called arithmetic progression. So now we are going to find terms using this. Okay, what is that? Suppose question, take one question. If first term of AP arithmetic progression is 20 and common difference is 6, then find T20, T30. So solution, we know that 20th term and 30th term we have to find, given that first term, if first term of AP is 20 and common difference is 6. First term means we know that T1 equal to A, that is 20, given A. Okay, this is given, and common difference are 6, this also given. These two are given. Now we have to find T20. We know that nth term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of n we have to put 20. T20, 20th term. A is what? 20 plus n is what? Again 20 minus 1. D is what? 6. So this is nothing but the 20th term equal to 20 plus 19 into 6. This is 20 plus 6 9s are 54. 4 carry 5. 6 1s are 6 and 5, 11. 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11. Now add this, you will get 1, 3, 4, 134. The 20th term is, 20th term of the series is 134. Now you have to find again Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. This is nth term of the series. So formula, if n equal to 30, if we are putting 30 here, this is 30, A is 20 first term, and this is 30 minus 1. D is what again? 6. So T30 is 20 plus 29 into 6. Again this is 20 plus 4, 5, 12, 17. So this is nothing but 194. The 30th term of that series is 194. Like that we can find any term, and even we can find the nth term also. Suppose now find nth term of this series. So a equal to what? 20, d equal to 6, tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our nth term of AP. Now in place of n we don't know what value is there, so we are putting n. This is 20 plus n we don't know, put like that, and 6 d 6. Now this is nothing but 20 plus 6 into n, 6n minus 6. 20 minus 6, this becomes 6n minus 6n plus 14. Therefore nth term equal to 6n plus 14. This is the common nth term of the given series, whose first term is 20 and common difference is 6. So like this we can find any term we can find, like 30, 20, 30th term, 20th term and nth term. Nth term is this. Now you want to check whether the nth term is correct or not. Again you put 30, you will get this value. Again put here 20, you will get this value. Okay. Now verification of nth term. Nth term is what? Tn equal to 6n plus 14. Okay. In place of n we are substituting 20. So 20th term is how much? 6 into 20 plus 14. So this is nothing but 120 plus 14. This is nothing but 134. Just see here, T20 equal to 134. Using this direct formula, simplified formula for this series only, 6n plus 14. Again we are getting the same value. So like that we can prepare nth term also for a given series and substitute that value, we will get directly. Take one more example. The series are there 50, 60, 70, 80 dot dot dot. So this is a series. Now we have to check that this is in a AP or not. So D we have to check. T2 minus T1, 60 minus 50, 10. T3 minus T2, 70 minus 60, 10. Like that we are getting difference 10, 10, 10. So this is common. Yes. Therefore common difference exists. Whenever common difference exists, these series are in AP. So first term equal to A, that is 50, and common difference is D equal to 10. Now we can directly find the nth term. Nth term of equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put n as it is. Now substitute. A is what? 50 plus n we don't know, that's why it is n minus 1, but D we know that 10 for this series. So like that we will get the nth term of this series, 50 plus 10n minus 10. So this is nothing but 50 minus 10, 40, 10n as it is. 10n plus 40 is a nth term of the series. Therefore Tn equal to 10n plus 40. This is the nth term of the series. Now you want to find any term you can find. Instead of using this formula, we can use this also. Formula, this is prepared formula for this series. Okay, whose first term is 50 and whose common difference is 10. This is the term for, this is the nth term for this sequence. Now if n equal to 4 we want to put, what we have to get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should be 18. Now right here. Therefore, if n equal to 4, we know that this is our nth term. Instead of this, we have to put 4. 10 into 4 plus 40. 10 fours are 40 plus 40. How much this is? 80. How much this is? 80. So that's why 80 is what? Again, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Fourth term is 80. Like that we can put 10th term. We can find 10th term if we put n equal to 10 in nth term formula, that is Tn plus 40. This is our nth term. Now we are substituting 10. 10 into 10 plus 40. So what you will get? 10 tens are 100 plus 40. This is 140. The 10th term of the series, 50, 60, 70, 80. If you count on, if you stop at 10, you will get 140 as a number. So 140 is called 10th term of the series. Like that we can find any term. First we have to find the nth term of the given series, then this. Take one more question. Question number 1. Special questions are there. If T20 equal to 100, T30 equal to 200, then find first term and common difference. Okay, like that we will get the questions. So we have to solve this and get the values. T20 is given, means we know that T20 equal to A plus 19D. Here T30 means T30 equal to A plus 29D. Okay, why? Tn equal to, we know that Tn equal to what? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 less than this. 20 is there, 20 minus 1, 19. 30 is there, 30 minus 1 is 29. So this is there. In place of T20 we have to substitute this value. So this is 100 equal to A plus 19D, and here 200 equal to A plus 29D. Why? Because this value is given 200, we are putting here. T20 value given is 100. So again we are getting this one, 100, 200. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now subtract 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So we have to write this equation. So we are writing like this: A plus 29D equal to 200. And here A plus 19D equal to 100. Now subtract this equation. So A get cancelled. How much this? 29 minus this, 10D. Here we are getting 100. D equal to 100 by 10. So this is 10 again. 10 ones are 10. D value is 100. We know that common difference is 100. Now what you have to find? You have to substitute D value in any one, in this one or this one. You will get the value of A. Therefore, T20 equal to what? A plus 20 minus 1 into D. This value you know that this is 100. A we don't know, put as it is. This is what? 19. D is how much? 10. So again we will get this. Okay, equal to A plus 190. 19 tens are 190. Now A equal to, okay, A equal to how much? 100 minus 190. So A equal to minus of 90. The first term is minus 90, and D is that one. Now we can find any term. We know that D is there, and we know that first term. Now suppose these two are given and it asks that find T50. So we have to know A and D, then we can find that value T50. That's why we are going to find T50. T50 equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Now n plus, where any, this is the nth formula. Now we are going to put 50. 50 equal to A. A is what? Minus 90. Plus N is 50 minus 1. D is what? 10. So this is minus 90 plus 49 into 10. Again this is minus 90 plus this is 490. 490 minus 90, 400. So T50 is 400. T50th term of the series, these whose 20th term is 100, 30th term is 200, find 50th term. Means like that we have to frame the equations 1 and 2, subtract them, we will get cancel A, and we can find the value of D, substitute value of D in one equation 1 or 2, you will get the value of A. You know that D and A is there, so we can find any value using this formula, nth formula. So like that we can find the any term and any number. For that we need what? If we know that A and D, we can frame any arithmetic series we can find. Any term of arithmetic progression. We can find any term of arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we are going to find sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Okay, sum of n terms of arithmetic progression means what? So suppose take a series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 100. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, fourth term, fifth term. So this is 50th term. Okay, like that we have to find sum to 50 terms or sum to n terms. This is n term. Last value is what? This is called n terms. Whatever value is there, we have to find sum to n terms of this series. So we know that this series in AP, yes, 2 common difference is 2, 2, 2. So we have a formula, sum to n terms equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula for sum to n terms. For AP series, this is for AP only. For AP only. This is for AP only. What is that? Sum to n terms equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum to n terms equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These are the extra part. Nth term is, if you put finger here, you will get only a plus n minus 1 into d. In front of a, you have to take this, put a bracket and multiply with n by 2. So you will get this formula. So the term change to sum. So very important one. Now suppose a series is like that. First term is what? 2. D is what? 4 minus 2, that is 2. Common difference is 2. Every term has same one. And up to n terms you want to find. N is now sum to n terms. Sum to n terms you are going to find. So n, you have to put n as it is. Sum to n terms equal to n by 2, we don't know which value of n is there, 50, 60, 100, but we are taking n as it is. 2a is what? 2. N we don't know, that's why that is, again d is, we know that is 2. Sum to n terms equal to n by 2, 4 plus 2n minus 2. 2 into n, 2n. 2 1 the 2. So minus is there, minus 2. Now this is nothing but n by 2. n by 2 as it is. Here 2n is there, 2n. 4 minus 2 plus 2 you will left. So this is the formula. Or again 2 here, 2 common is there. If you take 2 common also, what is that? Sn, sum to n term of above series, Sn equal to n by 2. We are taking 2 common, then it is n plus 1. N we have taken 2 common. Just see, take 2 common. So you will get n plus 1. Okay. See here, 2n plus 2 is there. 2n plus 2 is there. 2 take 2 common. So that 2 this get cancelled. So you will get like this, 2 get gone. Okay. Now this is n plus 1 is a sum to n terms of the series. Suppose we want to find 20, sum of first 20 terms. What you have to do here? You have to write sum to 20 terms, n equal to 20. Sum to 20 terms is equal to 20 plus 1. So this is nothing but 20 into 21. This is 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 2 twos are 4, and 0 as it is. So it is sum of the first 20 terms of the series is 420. If you add 2, 4, 6 up to 20 terms, that is, this is a sum of which term? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, like that we are going on up to 20 terms. The sum of this all number up to 20 terms is 420. How we got this? We got using this value. Sum to n terms of this series is n plus 1. N into n plus 1. Like that we can find any value for the series, or directly putting n value also we can find the value. Suppose example 2. If a equal to 5, d equal to 6, okay, common difference is 6, first term is 5, and then find the sum of first 25 terms. 25 terms. That means what? This is a sequence, follow and add all 25 terms of that sequence. You will get the answer. But using formula of Sn, we can find Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N we know that 25, a we know that 5, d we know that. So sum to 25 terms of this series, whose first term is a, common difference is this, 25 by 2, 2 into a is what? 5, n is what? 25 minus 1, d is what? 6. Now simplify this, you will get 25 by 2 as it is. Why? Because this not go directly exactly, so it is in point form. Put it like this, we will see this will be cancelled with another number. 2 5s are 10 plus 24 into 6. Again we can write 25 by 5 as it is. This is 10. This is 6 4s are 24, 2 6 2s are 12, and 2 14. So this is nothing but 25 by 2, this is 154, okay, 144 plus 10, 154. Now it goes with 2, 2 1s are, 2 7s are 14, again 1, 2 7s are 14, so we will get 77, 25 into 77. So multiply it, you will get the sum of first 25 terms of this series, whose first term is this, common term is 6, 25 sevens are, okay, or otherwise you have to multiply like this, 25 with 77, 7 5s are 35, okay, 3, 7 2s are 14, 17. Again 7 is there, so you have to repeat this value. 5, 12 carry 1, this is 9, okay, 1. So this is nothing but 1925. The sum of this series is 1925. So this one method is there, okay, you can find the nth term. Normally in exams you will get nth term or sum to n terms, you have to find that term, okay. One question is there, example. First we solve simple question. If Tn equal to 2 square plus 5, Tn of AP is of AP, then find first term, fifth term and 10th term, like that is there. So just this is our first term, so we need not to know what is A or this. We have to substitute 1 for here, you will get first term. If you substitute in place of n5, fifth term you will get. In place of 10, you will get 10th term. So our nth term is this 2n square plus 5. So put n equal to 1, Tn equal to 2 into 1 square plus 5. This is 2 into 1 plus 5. This is 2 plus 5, that is 7. First term is 7. Second term, fifth term we have to find. Put n equal to 5. T5 equal to 2 into 5 square plus 5. So this is 2 into 25. 5 square is 25. Plus 5 again is there. So this is 50 plus 5, that is 55. Fifth term is 55. N equal to 10, substitute. T10 equal to, again we have to write here 2, 10 square plus 5. 2 into 10 square is 100 plus 5. Like that we get 200 plus 5. 205. This is the terms. If n term is given, any term we can find without finding first term and d value. There is no need to worry about d value. Here there is no need. It given n for nth term is given, we can find that one. Like that, suppose one typical question this is. If Sn equal to 3n plus 5, then find T6. Sixth term you have to find. You don't know,